Hey everyone, welcome back. Now that we have all the formats, vacuum and dog hair free, we're now going to move on to our 3-step carpet cleaning system by P&S. So there's 3 steps that we use for the system. First step is going to be our Terminator enzyme and spot and stain removal. And the second step is going to be our Carpet Bomber carpet cleaning system, and then I'll go over the third and final step with you in just a few minutes. So the first step we're going to do is the Terminator. This has enzyme in it. What that does is going to break down any bacteria and organic matters that might be in the carpet. So hit these a couple times with the Terminator. Let that set for a few seconds, and then after we spray on the Terminator, we're going to move on to our second step, which is a Carpet Bomber, which is a carpet cleaner. So first step is to break down organic matters and enzymes. Second step is to actually apply the Carpet Bomber, which cleans the carpet. Spray it gently across evenly. Once we have step 1 and step 2 applied to the carpets, we're now going to agitate the floor mats with our white drill brush, which is very gentle on the carpet. Once we drill brush and agitate the carpets, we're going to move on to the steam cleaning process. There's 2 ways that you can do this. You can use an extractor or use a steam cleaner. Preferred method is the steam cleaner. Unless you have very heavily soiled carpets, then the best choice is to extract them. But using the steam cleaning process is effective. It kills the bacteria. Also reduces the amount of water that you need to put into the carpet. Another thing I'd like to point out too is, even though we're not using an extractor, this is kind of doing the same thing as an extractor. The only difference is it's not spraying out water like an extractor does, but it does extract the dirt and everything that's in the carpet, pulls it up from the carpet, from the fibers to the microfiber rag. So it's already starting to turn a little black and brown, so that's how we know that it's working and we're cleaning the carpet. Once we're done the second step, we're going to go on to the third and final step, and that's our finisher peroxide treatment. What that does, it helps reduces odors and stains. It also neutralizes the pH level that's in the carpet. Once we spray the peroxide on, we're just gonna move on to the next step. And before we do put the floor mats back in the car, we're gonna do just a final vacuum just to finish everything up on these floor mats. And that's how we clean your carpets in your car and your floor mats safely and properly, so everything's looks like new again. So thank you guys for watching this. If you guys want to see more content like this in the future, follow us on Facebook, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we'll be sure to come up with more content for you guys to see, what we do on a day-to-day basis in a detailing shop like mine. Thank you guys.